Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to install LTX 2.5 image to video inside the Comfy UI and create nice 45 seconds video. As you can see, this my video is 45 seconds about second World War. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Comfy UI, run it from here. Once it's opened, go here to templates, search for LTX 2.5 image to video. Select this one. To use this model, you need to download those requirements. There. As you can see, for 7 errors, you can download it, but the problem, it's locked. How to unlock this one? We have to go here, click this lock. Okay, when I clicked right here, I go to Files. When I go to File, I want to download, for example, LoRa. The problem, it's not possible to download. You must have the permission from the LTX 2.5 to download this model. To have this permission, you must sign up and accept the permission. For me, I already accepted. Okay, add my account. Okay, for me, I already have the permission. I can download it. Okay, let's return right here. Okay, to return here, you can download it. For example, let's download the LTX. As you can see, after giving the permission, it's possible to download. It's unlocked. Okay, download those models. As you can see, we have 6 models right here. And the 7 error is to add the first file. For me, I already download those files. Okay, let's add it one by one. Let's go right here and follow the locations. Now let's open Comfy UI here. Open another one. Download this. This is my files. Go to models. The first one is text encoder. We have to do to add this gem 4 files. First one, second one. Copy these files. When the text encoder is paste right here. The fusion bottles. Use the right here. We have to add the LTX 2.5, 22 billions. Got the fusion bottles. And VEE audio and VEE video. Okay. We have to go here to VEE, paste it right here. And the last one, latent upscale models. Go here, search for latent upscale models. What's the problem right here? I don't have the latent upscale models. Okay, let's download. Click here. Okay, start downloading. Okay, let's return right here. My model is downloaded, the latent upscale model. Got it. Go right here, paste it here. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is to refresh this page. And let's see there is disappeared or not. Okay, there are 2 errors. Let's go right here. Zoom up. Go here. Select this one. And the error is disappeared. Or as you can see, it's works. Make this prompt enhance false. And let's add the first frame image. Okay, this is my first frame image. And let's add our 45 duration, 45 seconds. Okay, how to get this prompt? About the Second World War. Let's go here and paste. Okay, this is the aspect ratio. Okay, if you have 8 GB of VRAM, 6 GB of VRAM, choose 0.3 and hit OK. After that, let's hit run. Okay, fine. As you can see, the 45 seconds video is created. It takes around 10 minutes to create this 45 seconds video. Okay, let's see your video.
In Berlin handed the German government a final note. No such undertaking has been received.
God help us. It's happening again. Consequently, this country is at war with Germany.
Don't look outside, Julian. Keep your eyes on me. Is Papa coming back tonight?
Keep moving! Form up! Double time! Hold the line! Just hold the line! This morning, the British ambassador...
As you can see, it works very nice. Thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.